Let me show you how to make some fluffy bread, but without sourdough. Starting off with 1.5 cups of warm water, and then I'm gonna add in about 2 tablespoons of honey. Give that a mix. I've got 3 cups of bread flour and 1 packet of instant yeast. This is equivalent to 2¼ teaspoons of yeast, just in case you don't know the packets and you're using a jar. 1 teaspoon of salt. Adding in my warm honey water. And a couple tablespoons of oil. I'm using avocado oil, but you could use olive oil, vegetable oil, whatever you have. And you should be left with a soft and shaggy dough. I'm gonna go ahead and pop a lid over this and put it somewhere warm for 30 minutes. For me, I like to put my bread in the microwave with it off, obviously, just because it tends to be a little bit warmer in there than it is in my kitchen. I will see y'all in 30 minutes. It's been 30 minutes. She has risen beautifully. It's time to do some stretch and folds. If you don't know what stretch and folds are, you literally just take the dough and you fold it over itself. And yes, stretch and folds is something that you do with sourdough, but trust me, with sourdough, what takes so long is you've got the starter, and then it takes like multiple days for the bread to actually do its thing. Just trust me, this only takes a couple minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this back into my microwave to keep rising. I'm going to be doing 3 sets of stretch and folds every 30 minutes, and then I will show you guys the next step. This has been sitting for 1.5 hours since I mixed it originally with you guys. Now you don't have to add any fillings into this. This makes a delicious white sandwich bread, but we're gonna be a little bit fancy tonight and do a cinnamon swirl. If you're not doing toppings, you can fold this up the exact same way. You're gonna roll in, and then roll it like a burrito. I've got a greased and floured loaf pan, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pop it in. I'm gonna preheat my oven to 425 and just let this rest while it preheats, and I will show you guys the next step. I went ahead and scored my loaf. I've got a greased piece of foil here. I'm securing it on one side and then using the foil to make like a little dome just so the bread has room to rise. This is gonna go in the oven at 425 for 20 minutes. Then I'm gonna take the foil off and let it bake at 400. Yes, honey, for about 10 minutes. The texture is super fluffy. Now, obviously, I added a little bit of cinnamon sugar into the dough, but if you were to do it without that, it's just gonna be perfect sandwich bread. It's so good.